Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this hairstyle. I've been rocking this hairstyle in my recent Instagram posts and probably in my videos, my last styling video maybe. And a lot of you wanted to know how I got this. This is actually a brand new wig from the actual wig that I was wearing in those videos. So I actually had this wig sitting in my cupboard. I was like, wait, I could actually use this. I totally forgot that I had this, but I totally forgot I had it. It was actually sent to me during summertime. I was like, wait, I haven't actually shown this to you. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to actually use the wig and show you how I style it. So it was like a 10 or 12 inch lace frontal wig. So simple. You just need a short wig basically, and then I curled this with straighteners. It's not supposed to be perfect, but I've been rocking this look for the past few weeks and I absolutely love it. It's so effortless. Whenever I'm styling my outfits, the back probably isn't even that great, but like I said, I really just cut it really bluntly. The key is having a blunt cut. If you cut it bluntly, it would give you this nice look. So literally the curls last for a day or two, so I don't have to keep restyling it every day I put it on. So yeah, I love it. Adds a certain edge to my outfits as well. So yeah, anyway, if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. So this is what the wig looks like. I dyed it jet black, obviously because I prefer, my dark hair quite dark. Just gonna show you how I cut it, how I lay it, and then I'm gonna curl it as well. I'm not sure if this was 10 or 12 inches, but I did kind of trim it just a tiny bit to try and emulate the other wig. I've really been enjoying that hairstyle, especially for shooting, and it's just so easy, quick to put on, and no faff, and all that good stuff. So I have definitely been loving that wig. The frontal has a lot of short hairs, and I tried to as you can see it, I tried to see those. I tried to get it down with some a wax tick. I think it's about 150% density. So this is pretty much this is how much hair you get, which for a bob isn't too bad. And because I will be curling it, I will be adding some volume to it as well. Okay. I have also slightly tweezed the frontal as well, just a little bit. It came slightly pre-plucked, but I did have to go over it quite a lot. I'm still not the best at plucking, but for me, I feel like it's manageable. I'm gonna put the spray section by section, just because of the wig is quite loose. So I'm gonna just do one side and then do the other side, just so I can make sure it's really flat. And the flatter and tighter it is, the more it looks more natural and coming from the scalp. Using the brush that I use for my contour, I'm going to try and blend the lace into my scalp so that it's a lot more seamless. gonna use the got to be ultra glued. I'm gonna lay the hairline a lot more. I'm now gonna curl the hair. I actually use straighteners to get those curls, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's what the back looks like. Just gonna take a section of my hair. If you know how to curl with straighteners, then this will be easy for you. So I'm just literally twisted it. Doesn't work every time, but you know, it also doesn't have to be perfect. I literally was just grabbing different lumps of, I was just grabbing the hair, which whatever worked. And if you give up, you just use the curling wand. So I'm going to spray it just to kind of lock in the curls. You can run your hands through it, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to work, you know. Yeah, this is pretty much how I've been working my hair recently, so I hope you like it. Well, I will put the info in the description box as usual, where you can get the hair. I think the hair did really well. The only thing I didn't like was the fact there was a lot of short hairs in the frontal, so you have to keep having to, like, you know, tame it down and everything. But besides that, lace itself laid really well. Didn't really get much shedding, and I haven't had to add any extra bundles to it, and nice and flowing, bouncy. And yeah, if you have any more like hairstyles you want me to try out, or do you that maybe I've shown on my socials, let me know and I'll try and get that. If I can get them restyled, then I'll do that for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.